Trail Chaser XR here. I'm doing a quick little mini bike video today because it's kind of cold out here and I haven't posted. I didn't post yesterday, so I'm just going to do a quick mini bike video. It'll be like a 5-minute ride or whatever. And we're just doing it in my yard today because it's cold. I have trails in the back of the neighborhood, lots, and I'll do a video on those when it's not cold. Now, I'm going to start up my mini bike and we'll get going. It's going to be a quick ride, so sorry. Start it up real fast and we'll get going. Crap, it's cold. Engine's cold. Come on. There we go. Okay. Hopefully it'll warm up. Engine will warm up. Thanks for watching. Sorry it was a kind of short video. Sorry it was a short video, but it's really cold. Hopefully it'll be warmer tomorrow and I can get on the trails when I get off of school. So, thanks for watching and goodbye.